Hello guys, welcome back to the Budgie Gamer, and this is when the budgies are super calm. Oh wait, yeah, much better. Look at them. It's kinda dark to see. Well, I'm gonna take her out. You're gonna see her face right now. Just in a second, it kinda looks blurry because it's at night, that's why. And I turned on the lights to make it look better, that's why. Look at her. Oh, it's kinda her. She is trained. She is trained. She just believes in us at least. You see? You see that? And they're so cute. Oopsie. Put. Look at her. Say hello. Oh. Look. Now put her back. See? She's so cute. The blue one is like a beast. It bites so hard. So
It's his bird.
So bye.